आपकी हाइट कितनी है?
सर 6 feet 2 inch.
6 feet 2 inch हाइट है आपकी। वेरी गुड। आपने आर्मी वगैरह में क्यों नहीं ट्राई किया?
Sir, actually, when I was a kid, I met with an
Loud.
accident. I met with an accident due to which my left hand has 2 surgical holes in it.
Okay.
That's why I couldn't.
ग्रेजुएशन कब कंप्लीट हुआ आपका?
Sir, I've completed my graduation in year 2017.
70. In which stream?
I've completed in statistics.
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 So you might have heard about NSO, National Statistical Office. It falls under which ministry?
Sir, it comes under Ministry of Statistical. Its abbreviated form is MOSPI. It's
And
full
one of the
form.
specific government scheme that is being rolled out for it.
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
MPLED, you might have heard about it.
Sorry.
Member of Parliament, Local Area Development Program.
No, sir.
Alright. So who is the releasing authority of GDP figures in India?
Sir, it's RBI.
GDP figures.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी,
Yes, sir.
अंडर द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी देयर आर 6 मेंबर्स,
Yes, sir.
3 गवर्नमेंट के साइड से और 3
Eminent economists पर introduce करा है.
आरबीआई की साइड से। तो 3 गवर्नमेंट के साइड से लोगों का नाम बताइए।
Sir, the names are Ashima Goel, Jayant Bhide, and Mr. S. Verma.
ओके। आपका सब्जेक्ट आपने बताया कि 2017 में था स्टैटिस्टिक्स। ओके, व्हाट इज रैंडम सैम्पलिंग?
Sir, if we take from a random sample, the random sample basically it's a short data which we take from a large population to implement different measure of descriptive qualities so that we can infer something about the data which we have.
ओके, आप बैंक में आना चाहते हैं, कोई इनडायरेक्ट या डायरेक्ट रिलेशन स्टार्ट्स का बैंकिंग से?
सर बेसिक जो रिलेशन है स्टैट्स का वो बैंकिंग से काफ़ी हद तक हम रिलेट कर सकते हैं। बैंकिंग सेक्टर में अगर मैं एक लोन डिपार्टमेंट की बात करूँ तो लोन डिपार्टमेंट जो बैंक किसी पर्सन को लोन देता है तो वो उसका सिविल स्कोर चेक करते हैं पहले, और सिविल स्कोर अगर मोर देन 750 है तो ही उसको मतलब अच्छा वर्दीनेस कस्टमर माना जाता है।
Where is Pangong So? It is what is the location of Pangong So?
So it's in Ladakh region.
Ladakh. Is it a freshwater lake or salty water?
So it's a salt water.
Is it a wetland?
Yes, sir.
Is it a wetland?
It's included in the 42nd Ramsar site.
42nd answer site.
Okay.
And if let's say you are approached to a bank, right? Again, repeatedly you are just requesting to the banking officer to proceed one of the application that is related to any of the work. They are not even single person interested. They have denied it repeatedly. They have denied it that we are not going to do it. You have lodged a complaint against them. You are submitted it to the bank. And 30 days have been passed. No action has been taken. Which of the best possible option you now do? What you will do against them?
So I'm a customer to the bank.
You are a customer.
So sir, after if a complaint is not get redressal within the 30 days period time, then we can surely go for the banking ombudsman for the redressal of our complaint.
ओके मिलिंद, आपके नाम का क्या मतलब है?
सर मेरे नाम का मतलब है एक भवरा कहते हैं हिंदी में। इट्स हनी बी, मेल हनी बी टाइप।
अभी पेट्रोलियम प्राइसेस इंक्रीज हो रही है इंडियन इकोनॉमी में, इसका रीजन क्या है?
Sir, there are basically 2 major reasons for the increase in petrol prices in India. First, there are in India we are giving a hefty tax on the petrol prices, on the crude oil. We give almost around 260% tax on the crude oil. That is about 2/3 of the amount we paid as a retail customer. The main reason for this petrol hike can be traced back to the 2019 when the Trump's administration in USA imposed ban on Iran for oil exports, and Iran used to provide us with 10% of our per year usage of crude oil. But after the new election, the newly elected president of Joe Biden has उन्होंने ease कर दिया थोड़ा सा।
So you might have heard about Asian Premium. What exactly it is?
Sorry sir.
Asian Premium. What is the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action you were recalling Trump administration? So what is JCPOA, Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action?
Sorry sir, I
Is it
read it but I
somewhere
am not
related
able to recall it right.
Is it somewhere related to Iran or Iraq? Out of two, which of the country it is, to which it is related?
Sir, it was somewhere related to Iran.
Iraq.
Difference between DRT and DRR. DRT and DRAT.
DRAT. So DRT stands for Debt Recovery Tribunal, whereas DRAT stands for Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal. Whenever a case arises in DRT, it has been given a district level judge or a person qualified as a district level judge gives his judgment over the cases of DRT, whereas the person who is convicted for the faults or anything, he was given 30 days for its addressal or for its appeal. He can then appeal to the DRAT, but there are two conditions after which only he can apply for the DRAT in DRAT court. That is, he has to submit 75% of the amount that is asked by the DRT court, and then he is given 45 days. That is the maximum limit for the DRAT appellate tribunal.
I'm having this startup. I'm actually owner of a startup, and owner of the startup. I as approach to the bank and I will be demanding for the loan under priority sector lending. Am I eligible for that?
Yes, sir. Earlier it was not available, but now after this budget it is available. The government has added startups in the others category, which is the 8th category under priority sector lending.
What are some other categories?
Apart from the, did you mean that the above 7 categories? Yeah.
Can you tell the name of any of the category?
Yes, it's agriculture, MSME, export credit, and various other.
Who is currently the CJI?
Sorry, sir.
Chief Justice of India.
Shri Justice S.A. Bobde, Sharad Arvind Bobde.
Who is currently the Lieutenant General of Delhi?
Shri Anil Banerjee.
Okay, last question. What is the quality of a bank PO?
Sir, the basic quality of a bank PO is the person should be sociable. He should be able to interact with people, make them comfortable, understand their issues, and then work accordingly to serve them better. And he should be a person who analyzes things in a better way.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you.